Judge's fury. Border Patrol chief faces scrutiny for defying court order. A federal judge in Chicago has taken a strong stance against the excessive use of force by immigration authorities, directly targeting the Border Patrol chief, Gregory Bovino. This story unfolds amidst a controversial immigration crackdown, raising questions about the balance between law enforcement and civil liberties. In a tense courtroom exchange, Judge Sara Ellis reprimanded Bovino for his agency's disregard of a previous court order to curb the use of riot-control weapons on peaceful protesters, journalists, and bystanders. The judge's frustration was palpable as she recounted an incident where federal agents unleashed chemical irritants on Chicago residents, including children dressed in Halloween costumes, ready to march in a neighborhood parade. But here's where it gets controversial. Ellis expressed her disbelief that kids in costumes could be considered an immediate threat to law enforcement, stating, "They just don't, and you can't use riot control weapons against them." The judge's concern extended to the broader community, noting the impact on the sense of safety in the old Irving Park neighborhood. She emphasized the need for accountability and adherence to the court's rules, which include prohibitions on riot control weapons and physical force unless an immediate threat is present. The court order also mandates that immigration agents provide verbal warnings before deploying chemical irritants and wear body cameras if issued. However, these requirements have been allegedly ignored, with witnesses reporting excessive force and a lack of compliance. When questioned about specific incidents, Bovino offered vague responses stating that each situation is unique. Ellis countered by emphasizing the importance of body cameras, which Bovino admitted to not having, despite most Border Patrol agents being equipped with them. The judge demanded that Bovino obtain a body camera by Friday. As the hearing progressed, attorneys for the plaintiffs sought to strengthen the temporary restraining order by banning tear gas entirely. Ellis, while not granting the motion, expressed her belief that Bovino understood the severity of the situation. The controversy deepens with conflicting accounts of incidents. Federal officials claim agents responded to threats and attacks, while video evidence and witness statements suggest otherwise. For instance, in Little Village, agents allegedly detained several individuals, including U.S. citizens, sparking an outcry from neighbors. The Department of Homeland Security claims agents were provoked, but video footage doesn't show protesters throwing rocks or fireworks at agents. This case is part of a broader lawsuit filed by Block Club Chicago and other organizations against violent tactics used by agents against journalists and peaceful protesters. Previous hearings revealed concerns about agents' actions in various neighborhoods, where they tear-gassed residents and rapid responders. The use of tear gas and other riot control weapons has sparked intense debate. While officials defend their agents' actions, citing immediate danger, critics argue that the use of force is excessive and violates civil rights. The question remains, how can we ensure law enforcement protects communities without infringing on their rights? As the immigration crackdown continues, with nearly 3,000 arrests in Chicago, according to Bovino, the tension between maintaining order and respecting civil liberties persists. This case serves as a stark reminder of the challenges in balancing security and individual freedoms, leaving many to wonder. Is there a better way to address these complex issues? What do you think? Are the actions of the Border Patrol agents justified, or do they cross the line? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore this controversial topic together.